Hello, guys. Welcome again to the Word of Life. Today, we are talking about the characteristics of living things. By characteristics of living things, we mean the properties at which any organism possess or anything possess that you can refer to it as a living thing. Number one is movement. Any living thing must have an organelle of movement. Okay, no matter if it is a multicellular organism or a unicellular organism, because in some unicellular organism we have some organelles they use for movement, like the pseudopodia in some protozoa, the cilia, okay, and some flagella that aid them to move, so they have movement. Some organisms, mostly organisms that are under animal kingdom, can move. Okay, number two is respiration. Respiration is actually the breaking down of nutrients to release energy. Okay, it is actually happen within the cells of the organisms. So it is as well an enzymatic reaction by which glucose is being broken down to release energy and ATP and heat as well. So this will help the organism to gain an essential nutrient. So it is called respiration, and many organism or all organism undergo respiration, but different mode of respiration as well. And again, we have sensitivity. Sensitivity or irritability is the process by which an organism respond to stimuli or sense. Already, if you touch an organism, the organism feels it. Okay, so this is actually some characteristic of living thing. Then another one is actually growth and development. Growth and development is as well seen in organism in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. So in unicellular organism, even if the organism reproduced by asexual, okay, through the process of binary fission, and they're giving rise to daughter cells. That daughter cells also develop in size as well, so it is called growth. Okay, so and the development can be mental development, it can be physical development, which include the height and size of that organism. Okay, and again, we have excretion. Excretion is actually the process by which an organism release or remove some metabolic waste, okay, which involve the kidney or in higher organism, or the contractile vacuum in the small organism. So this removal is mostly nitrogenous substances which are actually harmful to that organism. So this is one of the characteristics of living things as well. And also we have nutrition. Nutrition is the process by which an organism feed. Okay, we have different mode of nutrition, which we have the holozoic mode of nutrition and autotroph mode of nutrition. Okay, where you have some that are photosynthetic and the ones that are um chemosynthetic. Okay, so these ones are actually some mode of nutrition. Then we also have support characteristic, which we have some cellular organism, which organism are composed of one or more cells, which we say that the cells are actually the basic units of life, because without the cell, no life. Okay, and again, we living organism also recognizes homeostasis, which is the process by which an organism regulates the constant internal environment of its body. Okay, where we have some osmoregulation and also some excretion as well. Then metabolism, which is actually the chemical activities of the body by which nutrition is being broken down and the nutrient is being absorbed, and also excretion is being removed out of the body. This is metabolism. And the all living things, being it plants and animal, also undergo this metabolic process. Okay, then we have evolutionary adaptation. Evolutionary adaptation have to do with some organism and their ancestral history. Okay, for instance, the hen is assumed to be crocodile before. Okay, and the man, which is Homo erectus, as well known as Homo sapiens before, which include chimpanzee, apes, and other primates. Okay, this is evolutionary adaptation. So the evolutionary adaptation contribute to the present organisms, where you have some features, because I told us in our one of our last videos that we have adaptation, we have succession. So organisms that survive succession will now pass that inherited attribute to the next generation. Okay, so we are going to take this topic and these characteristics one after the other. So do follow me. If you're not actually following me before, share it with your friends who are also interested to learn. See you in the next video.